My intention for this round of tapping is for us to come together whenever we feel isolated or divided or alone in perhaps our opinions or beliefs. Now, there have been studies recently that have shown that there is far more that unites us than divides us, and that even the most diverse groups around the world share many common beliefs and values. And I believe as a human race, we share this need for connection, we share the desire for love, and that we are all connected as part of one global consciousness. And when we set that intention and when we literally tap into that unified field of consciousness, we all know that we're not alone, and we can tap into that truth that there is far more that unites us than divides us. So this is a round of tapping for you to do whenever you're feeling disconnected and you want to tap into that universal field of consciousness, of love and unity. So because we are part of one race, the human race. So let's tap into that love and connection now. So at the end of this round of tapping, I will also do a short connection, short meditation, where I'm going to ask you to focus on your heart center, and with that energy that you've gathered from this round of tapping, send it out to the world, send it out far and wide, send it out to the universe, because we cannot underestimate that the work we do, even when we tap, that we send ripple effects out to the whole planet. And when we do this collectively together, it's even more powerful. So let's tap. Here we go. Even though at times I may feel isolated and alone in my opinions and beliefs, I choose to know that I am a part of the unity consciousness, one love, and the human race. And I choose to deeply and completely love and honor myself and everyone else around me too. I choose to know that if ever I feel isolated, that this is simply not the truth. And I'm letting go of this feeling now. And I choose to tap into this one unity consciousness of love and peace. And I choose to deeply and completely love and forgive myself and everyone else around me who may be contributing to this feeling. I choose to remember that I am part of one human race of divine, loving consciousness. And I choose to know that I can tap into this at any time. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself and all those around me who may have different views from me. tapping into one global consciousness. I'm tapping into this stream of love. I'm tapping into the consciousness of the divine. And I'm allowing myself to feel this connection on an energetic level. And I choose to access this feeling right here, right now. And I'm letting go of this feeling of separation. I'm letting go of this feeling of isolation. And I choose to know that I am connected to this field of human consciousness. Of love, of peace. And I choose to raise my vibration now. I choose to calibrate at an even higher level of consciousness now. I choose to raise my vibration. I'm allowing myself to feel the love. The love that is all around me. I'm feeling more and more connected now. And I allow this feeling of connection to become a part of my reality. And I'm allowing more of these people to come into my life, so that not only are we connected energetically, we become connected physically too. I'm allowing like-minded people to come into my life right now. I choose to attract the people who are vibrating at a really high frequency too. I'm allowing these people to magically appear in my life. Feeling more and more connected. Feeling more and more peaceful. Feeling more and more love. And I choose to send this love out wherever I go. I choose to create peace in my inner world. And I do this by sending out love. Sending out peace. I'm feeling it more and more now. We are all one. There is more that unites us than divides us. And I choose to focus on that unity now. Because what I focus upon expands. I'm focusing on unity. I'm focusing on peace. And I am focusing on love. I'm allowing this feeling to expand even more now. And it radiates out from every part of my being. I'm allowing this love to expand. And I send this out wherever I go. Feeling more and more unified now. Feeling at one with humanity. In body, mind, and spirit. Take a nice deep breath in. Now focus on your heart center. And notice how this feeling of love is really radiating in your body right now. Your whole body is filling up with this divine love. And it's extending out beyond your body now. It's bigger than you are. Send this out to your entire neighborhood. Send this out to all the people that surround you. Send this out to people who may have annoyed you, upset you, made you angry. Send this out to everybody. Send this out to your entire country. Send it out to your continent. Send it out to the whole planet. And beyond that, into the entire universe. Breathe in again. And exhale. And carry this around with you wherever you go. And remember the phrase, namaste. I'm sending namaste to all of you now. And namaste literally means as the love in me sees the love in you, or the divinity in me sees the divinity in you. So send that out to everyone you come into contact with. Even the people who might be triggering you. Send this out wherever you go. And wishing you so much love, so much peace, and in an incredible day. Take care. Till next time, happy tapping. Bye for now.